Hello everyone. Today we are going to make one of the best chicken pasta recipes you'll ever try. And you can cook a great dinner for your family with very little work. This one-pot chicken pasta is one of my favorite recipes. It's so rich and filling, with pasta cooked in chicken stock along with chicken, mushrooms and tomatoes. Tastes so flavorful and heavenly, and is an easy family-friendly ultimate comfort food. And making it in a slow cooker makes it the ultimate lazy weeknight dinner. We will start by heating some olive oil in a crock pot, and when the oil is hot enough, saute 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic. When the garlic turns light golden in color, we will add thinly sliced onion and again saute it until it's transparent. After onions, we will add chopped tomatoes. Here I am using fire-roasted chopped canned tomatoes. Instead of this, you can also use fresh chopped tomatoes if you wish to. I am using this to give my pasta a roasted flavor. Now add the mushrooms, give it a mix, and then we will start adding our spices. Add salt to taste. One tablespoon oregano. Quarter teaspoon white pepper. Half teaspoon paprika. And 1 teaspoon sage. Add chicken stock, give it a stir to mix it nicely with the spices, and then we will add our chicken, cut into small pieces. Now we will slow cook our chicken and set the timer to 1 hour. And now you have 1 hour to do your chores, have fun with your kids, relax, or have some me time. If you don't have a slow cooker, doesn't matter. You can also make this recipe without slow cooker on stove. The only difference will be the cooking time. After 1 hour, when the chicken is done, pasta is added at the end of the cook time so that it doesn't absorb too much liquid and get mushy. Make sure the pasta is submerged in the stock to cook properly. If you find that your stock is not enough for pasta to submerge in, then you can always add some more, like around a cup. It will take around 18 to 20 minutes for pasta to cook in a slow cooker. After 20 minutes, to check if the pasta is done, just press it with the help of a fork to see if it is cooked perfectly. If done, do not cover it with the lid and turn off the slow cooker because it might get mushy. Remove it in a serving dish Add some grated parmesan and garnish with parsley. Enjoy your pasta with your family and please let me know in the comment section how it turned out. I hope you liked this video and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.